Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is the part 2 of the cleaning the house. Here is Daddy, which is cleaning the children room and also the children running around. I'm going to help him to clean the house. Guys, it's not easy for us. So the most of the thing in the house, Daddy help us do everything, almost everything. So let's get started. So here Daddy is already done with cleaning the room in the children's room. I'm here helping him by packing the clothes so the things will get easy for him. So here I'm packing. Let's get packing together. Let's packing the clothes. So yes guys. So guys, at this point, I'm done with the children room. See the outcome here. Because my children, they used to jump and that is their bathroom inside. It's only two people, which is Authority and Grace. So this is the place they used to sleep. I'm done. So now this is the parlor, guys. The kitchen, we are still arranging it. But the parlor also, we are still arranging it. The dad is still on it. So guys, keep watching. The parlor is almost done with the cleaning the floor. Now I'm in the kitchen, okay? Getting the kitchen arranged. So yeah, let's get together. Let's arrange it together here. And me and my husband, we are inside the kitchen.
You don't need to watch me. I'm making food for you. I'll bring it inside your room.
Guys, we're done.
No problem. I will clean it. No problem. Let me do this so much work. As long as you guys don't litter the hall again and the dining table. I don't want you to get in my dining table.
Why speaking?
You guys are very clever. You thought you are more wiser than me.
So guys, we are done cleaning and yes, it's time for the kids to play now, okay? So yeah, keep watching. In my life. Hey, Daddy. I get peace, peace overflow. So she come back. In my life. I don't dance so funny. I get peace, peace overflow. In my life.
Mommy, I want that tying shoe song. Time to tie your shoes.
Okay.
Ask your parents to help you. Then you'll think how to tie shoes. Remember, in your breath, take a little tying shoes, tie it properly. Then you do what bunny is. Bunny, 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 can't catch me. Can't catch me. Can't catch me. You cannot catch me. Then you twist it around. Then you tie it down.
Move back.
No, that's how you do it. Now do it like this. Jump, jump, jump. Now you stamp your feet. Bang, bang, bang. Now you clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap. You sing a rap. La, 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 la. Tie your shoes. Time to tie, time to tie your shoes. Time to tie your shoes. Ask your parents for help. Ask your parents. Take a little and do only just tie it slowly and make a bunny. Make a bunny. Yes, you would try it.
Guys, let's see what Daddy is doing. Daddy is reading while we are making noise in the parlor. Did you see this kind of thing? So yeah, that is our family routine, and thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Please do subscribe and watch the second video. Bye bye.